Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to go on this site www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download the Gigabyte any devices driver. After that you can see in the right hand side search icon. Just click on it. Radeon RX 6800 gaming OC 16G and then hit enter. After that search and then click on the product and then click on name of the. Then click on support. Then select your operating system Windows 7, 10, 11. So all operating system installations process him. This NVIDIA driver and click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. It will take some time and depend about your internet. After completed, then click on three dot and then click on download. Then it is completed. Then click on it. Open this icon to open where it is downloading. After that, this one, right click and run as administrator. Otherwise, show more and run as administrator to click. Then click on yes. After that, this is installing. It will take some time and it is completed all driver. Then restart your system.